I know that I do a lot of cosmetic mods with the 370Z, but this time we're doing something different. Preventative maintenance mod? Yeah. This video is sponsored by Kanjo Spec.D. More about them later in the video. So why are we installing catch cans? Why is it important? Do we get any benefits from it? Is it bad? Is it good? Is it an overkill for a daily driver build? We'll see. This has been explained a lot of times already by these YouTubers, and I'm pretty sure, you've probably seen them already. If all catch cans are so beneficial, why aren't they installed from the factory? Well, first of all, emissions. You can't vent crankcase vapors into the atmosphere because, that's not healthy to the environment. Second of all, people who owns vehicles wouldn't even think about checking it periodically, trying to empty the tank every 500 miles, 1,000 miles, and so on. So the entire process is just meant to fail for a commoner, for a non-car person. Yeah. So bottom line, is it worth it to have an oil catch can on my daily driven 370Z? It never touched track yet, so is it? Well, it doesn't really hurt, Is it overkill? Sure, but it doesn't hurt. Enough with the jamboree, let's just install this bad boy. This is a universal mount for the canisters, fittings, valve fitting, a roll of rubber hose, Kanjo Spec.D branded canister. This is the in port and this is the out port. And a supplied cone air filter to make it as a breather canister. Close the top with a supplied bolt and add the valve fitting on the bottom, and you're good to go. If you're boosted, you can add the air filter and a pipe fitting instead of closing it off. Whenever you're installing mods, it's a good habit to cool off your engine and remove the negative battery terminal. You'll need to remove the front half of the engine cover by removing these two 10mm bolts. Since I want to showcase the cans and make them serviceable, this universal kit doesn't have a specific mounting bracket for the 370Z. I'll be drilling holes on this plastic support so I can bolt in its applied mounts. I actually got this small L bracket from a local hardware store. Now we'll have to remove the OEM PCB hoses right over here, 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 and here. Obviously, we need to replace the hoses that we remove. Cut the rubber hoses to length, measure twice, and cut once. Or in my case, eyeball it and cut once. Make sure you're putting the plenum side hoses to the out port and the valve cover side to the in port of the canister to close the loop. And that's it. I'm anticipating that there will be leaks, but if not, then that'll be fantastic. Kanjo Spec.D has been the longest sponsor in this channel. They've supplied my underglow, interior ambient lighting, hood dampers, and scrape guard. Check the description below and follow the link to their website and check out what you're missing out. And that is it on this one. Major shout out to Kanjo Spec.D for sponsoring me these oil catch cans for my 370Z. And obviously, this is not just specifically for the 370s. You can literally put this on any vehicle that requires it. Maybe on my Ford Escape? Maybe, we'll see. If you learned anything from this video, like what is an oil catch can, are there any benefits, and can you put one on your NA daily driven 370Z, consider liking this video. If you have any questions, comments, leave down below because I love interacting with you guys. As you can see on Mo's comments that you've written in the previous videos, I reply to them. And obviously consider subscribing because I'm going to be uploading a quick update, real short video after driving this one for 500 kilometers. And obviously you can catch me on Instagram at its.ericvenzon, and I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy, folks.